More concerns this evening about the specifications for the recent Ramp It Up National Labor Day project. The national project seeks to make schools and health centers more accessible to members of the disabled community. But following concerns from the Jamaica Institute of Architects, wheelchair users are now themselves speaking out. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
For president and founder of the Portmore Self-Help Disabilities Organization, Bridget Johnson, and Combined Disabilities Association member, Therese Braham, the Ramp It Up project is a brilliant idea. However, they are now adding their voices to the concerns raised regarding the specification of wheelchair ramps.
Some did not follow the specifications, so as of such, it will look more like a slope. So persons going up in the wheelchair, it will put more pressure on their arms, and it can also cause a chair to tilt over, because depending on how you're going up, you have to position the weight to carry you. So if it's not built to specification, the person can turn out of the chair.
For the new ramps done in Portmore St. Catherine, Ms. Johnson, who has one leg, says she has been looking at the jobs so far.
Specifically the one that is at the post office in Greater Portmore, and I'm not sure if any specific was really done. The infrastructure is like they just add something onto it without any proper thought behind it.
For one, she notes that the ramp is steep and requires great strength to get a wheelchair over it. But even if one makes it over that hurdle, she says the doorways are too narrow. This, we are told, is a 16-inch wheelchair. It barely makes it through the entrance. Wheelchairs for bigger persons like a 19-inch wheelchair or a motorized chair simply would not fit. The ramp created at the Portmore Mall is another concern. She says to access it, wheelchair users have to go out into the road, competing with buses and taxis. Also, the sidewalk edges have been cut too sharply, which can damage wheelchairs, and the area should have been painted blue to signify the presence of a disabilities ramp. This ramp at a basic school in the municipality is another bad example, as it is too steep. Ms. Braham says she has been having these challenges for years at public buildings, but notes that some, like this one at the Constant Spring Tax Office, meet the specifications, including a gentler slope.
I go in on my own if I want to come back out. Most times you go in there, as they see you coming with a chair, they want to know what is it you're coming to access, how they can best assist you.
Ms. Johnson says the one built at her organization is also a good example. But ramps aside, there's another urgent issue that she wants addressed as part of the current accessibility effort.
The signage, the accessible signs, being painted by, of course, the relevant authorities, and to ensure that the motorists adhere to these signs. Oftentimes I go around and I can't park where I'm supposed to park because the signs are not visible. So I'm making this appeal to ensure, please, that you don't park where you're not supposed to park.
Herman Green, TVJ News.